let's go fix something that's not broken, because why deal with some pain in the ass when you don't have to? This gate has two issues. Number one, opens really easily, but no handle. And sometimes you do this. No handle. Problem number two. This is insecure. We can fix both of those.
Details matter just like anything else does. The hardware on this gate is black, so we will match the hardware by painting it black. Even if no one sees the bottom, we will still paint the bottom. Get yourself one of the 4-ounce hammers instead of the larger framing hammers. It's much more nimble and you can use a lot less force to do the same job. Know when to give up. We can be inside right now having a turkey sandwich or something. Hurry up and get the job over with.
the house, this is the bag that I use.
I bought this bag in Park City, Utah in December 2022. Let's see what's in the front strap pocket. Grocery bag, inhaler, Sharpie. This lighter case is from Black Means, and I got this spool of gaffer tape as a gift. Gum, folding glasses from Uniqlo, my wallet, industrial Sharpie, lighter, stress banana, and I pilfered this Swiss Army knife from the Volvo. You can really see the wear and tear over the years. I like to add little adjustments on the outside of the bag, such as these zipper pulls, which signify what pocket we're opening. Dinosaur toy for my nephew. Pens. More toys. Mini sticky notes. And a sketchbook that I practice my pencil drawings in, usually when I'm waiting. It's all sort of loosely organized, but organized nonetheless. Everything that's in here belongs in here. And the bag belongs here.